Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and today I am going to be doing a swatch video on the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. It is by Be Perfect Cosmetics and it is beautiful. I'm going to zoom up to my arm instead of doing it like usual here, just so I can have a drink and not look like an alcoholic. So let's get started on this swatch videos and cheers! Okay, so first I am going with the top layer. I'm going to go in with Shuffle. Wow. That looks so good. And then I'm going to go in with Guilty. I like that. I'm going to go in with a second layer of Guilty. See how it comes up. May as well go in the second layer, this first one, even though it doesn't need it, but just so then we are clear that everything is second layers here. And next is Hustle. That's the first layer. Whoa. Does it even need a second layer? I think not. But as I said, we do second layers here. So there we go. Boom. In your face. Hello. Okay. Now we're going to go in with Naked, which is a transition colour, so I doubt this will even show up. Yeah, like I said, it is a transition colour, and I don't really think it's supposed to be extremely pigmented, but that is nice. And then we're going to go in with Basic, and the second layer of Basic. As I said, these are transition shades, so they shouldn't be too dark in your face anyway, and they are beautiful. And now I'm going in with Rowdy, and that is the first layer. And then the second layer. Hello, yes. So that is the first row of the palette. I might actually be able to fit in the second row. Yeah, so we'll fit in the second row too. So next we're going to go on to Funky. Ooh, wow. Second layer of Funky. Oh yes. Ooh, honey. But you can see that it does actually fall out here. Has been quite a bit of fallout there, and I didn't even rub that much. Then I'm going into Pink Me. It's super light. Can barely notice it. Let's see what the second layer does. Yeah, so it is really a nice shimmery kind of colour. You would put that over colours. I actually have it on my eyes at the moment, so it does work better when you have actually put on a colour already. And then next we have King. That's so nice. And second layer of King. Oh yeah. Then we have Lit. Second layer of Lit. Yep. That is amazing, that orange. I've never seen an orange like that. You can't even see it on camera exactly how the orange looks. I've never actually seen an orange like it. Then we have Wi-Fi. That's nice. Second layer. That is really pretty. Then we have Hush. And that's pretty good for being a shimmery gold. Second layer of it. Yeah, it does look pretty. I'm sure that would look really, really nice on the eyes. So that is the first and second layer all together. So this is Shuffle, Guilty, Hustle, Naked, Basic, Rowdy, Funky, Pink Me, Keen, Lit, Wifey and Hush. Now we have a new baby wipe. We'll see 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3 sort of wipes and then it is gone. There's only a bit of staining, it's not really too much. Okay, and now for the next 2 layers. First we have Foolish, which is a light pink, but it is showing up here like, yeah. Next one is Wasted, like I am. Second layer. It's nice. It's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. Then we have Queenie. Ooh. Second layer. I wasn't expecting that. And that is so nice beside that purple. Like, how nice is that? I love that gold. Then we have Mint. Second layer. It's not my favourite colour just because I am not a big green fan, as you already know. Then the next one is Recharge. Second layer. Don't know if I like that one, you know. And then we have Sky. And the second layer, that has a bit of fallout too, but it is a nice sort of colour. On to the last layer, and this is one of my favourite colours, Liquor. That is one layer, and this is 2 layers. It is one of my favourite sort of shades in it. Then we have Chant. Oh. Second layer. Yeah, the second layer really made up for it there. I was kind of disappointed in the first layer, not gonna lie. Just don't know if I just didn't take up enough of the product though, so maybe it was my fault. Here is actually another green. It is called Envy, and definitely do not like this one. Just not my kind of thing. Then we have Breezy. Oh, it's pretty. And again, the second layer. That is really pretty. Then we're going to go in with Mooney. And this is another one of the light colours which just don't show up on the arm. Then we have Mood, which is the last eyeshadow. And that is pretty intense. Especially whenever it's beside that Mooney. Yes, so we have Foolish, Wasted, Queenie, Mint, Recharge, Sky, Liquor, Chant, Envy, Breezy, Mooney, Somewhere. And of course we have our baby wipe. And let's see how many. 1, 2, and 3 is just basic cleanup. Like, they come off pretty easy, not gonna lie, they do come off pretty easy. And in this palette there actually is 2 highlighters, so I'm just gonna show you those quickly swatch. So this is Sinner and this is Saint. Put a wee bit more on. So that is Sinner and here is Saint. I've put quite a bit on just so you can kind of try see, but that Saint does kind of just melt into my skin. That would probably be the best one for me, and the Sinner clearly is never going to work for my skin. But I can use it as an eyeshadow, as I always do. They're pretty though. Considering these weren't there in the first place, like, you know. I'm just showing you me clean my arm then. Okay, so that is that swatch video done there, and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, then go like and subscribe, and check out my other swatch videos. They are linked below, and also comment down below which shade is your favourite, or what kind of shade you would like me to use for future videos, and go subscribe and you will see this face more often, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!